Hi, in this video I will show you how to install Java JRE and JDK, and how to configure multiple Java versions in Ubuntu 20.04. Let's start. I will show you how to install various versions of the Java Runtime Environment JRE and the Java Developer Kit JDK using apt. You'll install OpenJDK. You'll then select the version you wish to use for your projects. When you're finished, you'll be able to use the JDK to develop software or use the Java Runtime to run the software. I use Ubuntu 20.04. Let's begin by update the package index with sudo apt update. Check if Java is already installed by Java version. If Java is not currently installed, you'll see the command for install it. I will install the JRE OpenJDK 8. Sudo apt install OpenJDK JRE headless. Verify the installation with Java version. You can have multiple Java installations on one server. I will install Java 14 and Java 11 to show you. You can configure which version is the default for use on the command line by using the update alternatives command. Sudo update -alternatives -config java. Choose the number associated with the Java version to use it as the default, or press enter to leave the current settings in place. To install the JDK, execute the following command: sudo apt install OpenJDK JDK headless. Verify that the JDK is installed by checking the version of Javac with Javac version. You can configure which version is the default for use on the command line by using the update alternatives command. Sudo update -alternatives -config Java C. Choose the number associated with the Java C version to use it as the default, or press enter to leave the current settings in place. Many programs written using Java use the Java Home Environment variable to determine the Java installation location. To set this environment variable, first determine where Java is installed. Use the update alternatives command. Sudo update -alternatives -config Java. Copy the path from your preferred installation but do not include the bin/ portion of the path. Open /etc/environment using vi or your favorite text editor. At the end of this file, add the Java Home variable. Save the file and exit the editor. Now reload this file to apply the changes to your current session by source /etc/environment. Verify that the environment variable is set by echo $Java_home. You'll see the path you just set.
Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of this video in the comment. Make sure to subscribe, so you don't miss out on my future videos.